Dalemain mansion and gardens, North Lakes, 2 or 3 mile outside Penrith. We have a large car park, free, which is unusual. Now here they have their own herd of fallow deer that's been cultured, so I believe we'll put it like that, So I doubt if we'll see them today. You got their own herd of fallow deer in the distance now. You won't be able to see them properly, but I'm not getting my DSLR out and a big lens to get any photos of them. I haven't time, but that's where they're always knocking about. Tea rooms are nice and clean. I've been in before, so I can vouch for that. Plenty of wild garlic there. It's not a bad walk round, to be quite honest with you. And they hold some shows here through the summer months. Well, I filmed one. And the one I filmed is the Fell Pony Society. Cracking show, that. In fact, there's quite a few images there from the Fell Pony show on my website, if you want to have a look. And quite a few of the properties you see inside the grounds, they're occupied. They're actually rented out. So there's a few lucky people, aren't there, knocking about in them.